Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll tell you how to fix iPhone camera not working. Apple has bought wonderful products and the iPhone is among them. This smart gadget can outperform various tasks from sending messages, making calls and taking pictures and videos. Remember that taking pictures and videos require a camera and that's what the iPhone camera is known for. However, there are some problems that may arise from your device such as iPhone camera not working. So in this video I'll tell you how can you fix this problem, but first subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So the first step is remove the case. If your iPhone camera is not working, then you can first check your case, film or protector, etc. Sometimes a protector or film may block the camera or flash and thus affect its performance. If it's a metallic or magnetic, it may interfere with optical stabilization. So remove your phone case. And the next step is close the camera app. The camera is quite an energizing app within your smartphones that plays an important role, letting you have a memorable moments last forever. If it's not properly loaded, it may cause iPhone camera black screen issue. To ensure you distance yourself from the camera black screen issue, simply close the camera app and then wait for a few seconds and turn it on once more and you are done. And the next step is restart your iPhone. Restarting your iPhone is quick way to fix the iPhone camera not working issue. For this you just need to press and quickly release the volume up button and then the down button and then the side button and then slide to power off, and after some time press the power button until you see the Apple logo on your home screen and you are done. And the next step is turn off the voiceover feature. When the voiceover feature is on, it may cause a glitch.
Open.
For this, go to settings.
2 new items. Double tap to open. Settings.
And then tap on accessibility.
Vision. Heading. Voiceover.
And then tap on voiceover.
Button. Voiceover speaks items on the voiceover. Switch button on.
Then tap on its toggle button to turn it off.
Switch button on. Voiceover off.
And you are done. And the next step is update the iOS version. To update the operating system, click on the settings option, scroll down and then tap on general and then tap on software update. Wait until the page is loading. See if there is any update available, then download the latest version and you are done. And the next step is check on restriction settings. For this, go to settings, scroll down and then tap on screen time. Scroll down to the bottom and then tap on content and privacy restrictions and then tap on allowed apps. See if the camera's option is toggled off, tap on its toggle button to turn it off and you are done. And the next step is reset all settings. For this, go to settings, scroll down and then tap on general, scroll down to the bottom and then tap on transfer reset iPhone and then tap on reset and then tap on reset all settings. It might ask you to enter your passcode, so enter your passcode and follow the on-screen instruction to reset all settings on your iPhone and you are done. And the next step is factory reset your iPhone. Factory reset works perfectly but comes with one drawback: data loss is bound to show its ugly face. In such a case, you should make sure you backed up your data and then go to settings, scroll down and then tap on general, scroll down to the bottom and then tap on transfer reset iPhone and then tap on erase all content and settings and then tap on continue to confirm. It might ask you to enter your passcode, so enter your passcode to factory reset your iPhone and you are done. I hope this solution will fix your issue of camera app not working on iPhone or iPad, and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.